Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. This is all about Mimi. Today I'm gonna teach you the basic kitchen tips on how to use meat grinders and how to grind meat at home. Guys, I'm using this Philips 17000 wattage and capacity that can grind meat 2.7 kilogram per minute. And guys, the higher the wattage, they said it can grind more meat. Here are guys some accessories that I have commonly known. We have this screw ring, this pusher, the funnels, the auger, and then the plates and the big cutting plates, the blades. Here guys, I'm gonna show you how I fix this machine. Basically, I always using this medium size of cutting plate. This one guys, because we use this for grinding meat for spaghetti like that. Let's start. First, we're gonna put this feed screw, and then we're gonna put on top the tray, and then the pusher and the auger, and then the cross knife, and then the cutting plate or blade, and guys, and then the screw ring. Ayan, fix natin siya mabuti, and then let's start grinding our meat. Yeah, as usual, we put the meat on the tray guys. Gonna on the machine. Using our pusher, we put slowly and push the meat until simultaneously come out. This size of plate I use is medium size. This is our finished product. Again, we're gonna grind the second pack. So after grinding, we're gonna dismantle our machine. First, press that button and twist the screw, feeding screw, and remove the cover. Guys, we remove the plate, the blade or the knife, and then the auger, and and then the feeder screw. Then we're gonna wash it and clean it properly, and the machine also. I'm gonna show you how to use the other parts, but usually I didn't use this, guys, because I'm not making sausage, only grinding. But in the future, if we're gonna make sausage, so what we do, we fix like this. Of course, the blades, and then we're gonna put this funnel. The big funnel is used for big sausages. So what we're gonna do, we will put the grind meat on the top, and then we will grind there. And we have some, what you call this, the one they use for making sausage. And then this one is a small funnel used also for small sausages. That's it, guys, because I'm not really familiar much with this item. I'm only using these grinders. Thank you for coming, for watching my videos. This is all about Mimi. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.